All right, we're cleaning a toilet. Um, when you do the toilet paper, do your nice little triangle fold. And then I like to press the tip of the triangle against the faucet, make a nice, cute little circle there. Um, Looks adorable. Put that toilet paper back where it belongs. Make sure the toilet paper holder itself isn't dusty. Sometimes it gets dust from the toilet paper on there. We're going to use bleach spray and the toilet cleaner and only paper towel on the toilet, please. Do not use your rags on the toilets. That's kind of yucky. Use those paper towels. Give the inside of the bowl a nice squirt. Use that bleach spray all over on the toilet. Find your toilet brush and make sure you give the inside like a nice scrub, of course. I know you guys always do. It kind of speaks for itself, but make sure you're getting up under that rim of the toilet thoroughly. Any water spots that you see in there, down in the drain, any marks or rusty stains, get those as best you can. Most important thing about cleaning the toilet is that we get all the teensy tiny little details. All of those moving parts where the seat is, make sure those get cleaned. Back by those hinges, if you can lift up any plastic pieces and clean around those nuts and bolts, make sure you're cleaning all those little tiny details. Some toilet seats, you can easily just pop those up and pull it forward towards you, and then that whole seat will actually come off. If you're able to do that every single time. Clean around that screw part that holds it, and then underneath the toilet seat as well, if you're able to take it off. Um, and then the top of the lid, obviously. Make sure there's no hairs or weird stuff. The tank of the toilet and the base of the toilet are just as important as the inside of the toilet. If somebody drops something on the floor, they lean down there, they're like, "What? The cleaners didn't even clean the base of the toilet?" We want that whole thing to be beautiful. Use your bleach spray. Make sure you take a really good look in all those nooks and crannies. I should have moved that rug right away. We shouldn't be spraying bleach on near anybody's rug. So if there's a rug in front of the toilet, just make sure you move it out of the way, give it a little shake, set it aside. We can put it back down after we vacuum and mop the bathroom. And then the floor, right around the base of the toilet there, a piece of trash. Just wipe it really, really well because we don't want there to be anything funky on the floor around the toilet. Give it a good flush. Always flush the toilet. Always close the lid when you're done.